sorry, Mom. I went to pick up the handkerchief.
It's fine. Hurry. We have to find your brother.
Isn't that the kids from the market? They're heading toward the tribunal.
Then we go there. Now. State the charge.
Magistrate, this half-breed beggar stole my high-grade crystals, and he won't admit it. You need to teach him a lesson.
Magistrate, the king of beasts coming today. Let's seal the case fast. Stealing on my turf. Bold. Punish him with thorned whip.
Don't be scared. I'm here. So this little thief's mother is a blind, powerless human.
Look at them. A blind mother with 2 beggar kids. Where would they get high-grade crystals? He must have stolen them.
My son's a good boy. He would never done such a thing. Those crystals were given to us by a lord. He sent someone to help us. Please, magistrate, look into it.
You said someone gave the crystals to you. Prove it then.
Exactly. Bring that lord here, and maybe I'll believe you.
I don't know who he is. You don't even know who he is, and you expect us to trust in you?
No proof, no case. Take him. Torture him until he talks.
No! No! Please, no!
Wait!
It's him! The Lord!
You're... well, understood.
My lord, please tell him you sent those crystals.
Crystals.
They're accused of stealing high-grade crystals, but the girl says you gave them. Did you?
I'm blind, but I heard it clearly. You gave us those crystals. You meant well, but now my son's being accused. Please, my lord, tell the truth. Clear his name.
What am I even expecting? Jane's dead. This is just a liar who sounds like her. I never gave anyone magic crystals. Why would you lie?
Even the Lord himself denies it. What now?
You're lying! Your man gave us those crystals! Why won't you just admit it?
How dare you? Do you even know who you're talking to?
I didn't do it, so what do you want me to say?
We've done nothing to you, my lord. Why are you framing us?
Ridiculous. I told the truth, and now I'm the villain? With a mother like you, no wonder your son turned out like this.
The evidence is clear. What's there to investigate?
You're still a child. If you confess, I can go easy on you.
I didn't steal anything! I won't confess!
Magistrate, my son is innocent!
You know better than anyone else. Guards, whip him!
Mom! Let go of me! Don't touch my mom! Mom!
When a son does wrong, it's the mother's failure. Confess for him now, and spare yourself the pain.
Zane didn't steal anything. We've been framed. If I admit to this, how will he ever live with it?
Harder. My lord! My lord! Stop!
Your Majesty, nearby lords are waiting at the town gate to see you.
Your Majesty, a moment please. This human refuses to confess. Without that, I don't know what to do with her. She has no proof of her innocence.
then treat it as theft. Need me to spell it out?
Under beast law, a thief who refuses to confess gets the ultimate penalty, water prison.
Then put her in the water prison.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Case closed. Guilty of theft. Sentence: water prison.
We didn't steal anything! You can't bully my mother! My lord, please save my mother. I'm begging you.
Zoe, don't beg anyone for me.
My lord, please have mercy. Help us. Help us. Please help us. Please. My lord. My lord. My lord. My lord.
Let's go.
My lord, please don't leave.
See, if you just admitted it, maybe I'd have asked him to go easy.
Magistrate, who knows what else they've stolen? Let them off, and they'll just keep causing trouble.
Hoist her up. Carry out the sentence.
All hail the king! Might of the wilds!
Your Majesty, Finn, I told you to follow those two kids. You didn't give them any magic crystals, did you? I saw them being bullied by a giant, so I gave them a pouch of high-grade crystals on my own. What? So they're innocent? Nothing can happen to her.
Carry out.
Mom! We didn't steal the crystals. Let Mom go.
You had your chance. Being stubborn won't save you. Confess?
I won't!
Still denying? Then again.
The crystals were a gift from the Lord. We didn't lie. Let my mom go. Please.
The Lord already denied it. You think he'd lie?
Please. Let her go. Let Mom go. You let Mom!
Let her go. Jane?
This place is so beautiful. Twin black dragons. See? Twain together. Just like us. Never apart.